Good Tuesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Zurich visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, seeing a lot of temperatures in the 50s across the high plains this morning.
Yeah, Joe, we got a weak frontal boundary that's moving through the area this morning. We got an upper level low that's swinging through Missouri. We got lots of fog and light rain and temperatures out there in Missouri being reported in the upper 50s and lower 60s. You get out here on the Kansas, Colorado, Nebraska border, we still have some clouds from that being on the backside of that low, but we're going to see that clear out this afternoon. And as this front pushes through, we don't expect any precipitation. It is really dry air coming in behind that. And we're starting out with temperatures this morning pretty evenly in those 50s across the board. The coolest reading is Atwood at 53. We got 54 in Colby, 56 in Norton, 57 in McCook and Oberlin and Burlington. And our coolest reading, as always, is out there in Colorado with Lyman at 47. We do have a northwesterly breeze at 10, 15 miles per hour. That'll be a bit breezy through the day at 10 to 20. And then tonight afternoon, we'll see the sun come out. Temperatures will top out in those upper 70s. And we are going to continue the rest of the week and the weekend in a blocked up weather pattern. We're going to have a high pressure ridge. It'll start building out to the west. It'll expand over the central U.S. and stretch from the southwest across northeast into the upper Midwest, while in the southeast we'll have a cutoff low just spinning, and that'll keep the rain and clouds and the activity down there in the southeast along the Missouri and the Mississippi. We could have some precipitation reach into eastern Kansas, but it will not work western Kansas or eastern Colorado. And we expect dry and mild conditions all the way through the weekend. We'll see temperatures tomorrow climb to around 80. The rest of the week and over the weekend will be in that 80 to 85 degree range. Our lows will be in 50 to 55 degrees. Our next front and trough will come through Monday and Tuesday of next week. It does look like it's going to stay dry. There's not a lot of moisture to work with. At most, we'll see some sprinkles or maybe a little bit of light rain, some clouds, and the cooler temperatures. We'll see the highs in the 70s, upper 60s, lows, upper 30s, low 40s. Could be some patchy frost, low-lying areas to the west, but it looks like we'll continue to be dry, and we're just looking further ahead until maybe the time frame of the 7th to the 10th, where we got a couple disturbances and troughs coming through. We get rid of that blocking system, maybe get some moisture working back into the area, and see our increased chances for precipitation as we move closer to the second week or to the end of the second week of October.
Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Zurich.